I don't know what the X means. 1. So
what does X mean in numbers?
Come up here. You gotta get up.
Get up on your knees.
Okay. Put your chin right here. Put it right there.
Okay.
Now you turn it one time.
Only one time.
That's it. That's all you get to do.
Well, no, it clicks, doesn't it?
Yeah, but that's it.
No,
okay,
see, that's the click.
That's it. That's
okay.
it.
So you didn't get pied. So Morgan's turn.
Now you come on.
How do we don't get pied?
It's just who's ever gets it.
3.
Okay, so you'll hear it click.
I'm scared.
Is it not clicking?
No.
3. That's it.
Yes. It's Katie's turn. Oh boy. I'm scared. I'm scared.
Oh, maybe the X is where you hold it. You gotta move your fingers.
I'm scared it's gonna hit
4.
me.
You know it's gonna be.
Come on, let's go.
1,
Go.
2, 3. It's so gonna be you.
I should have
2.
Oh my gosh. 1.
2.
Oh no.
Haha, it's you.
Did we do it right? Is it not working?
No, it's doing it.
Hold on, don't spin it. Don't spin it. You gotta,
You're here.
you gotta spin the wheel
you gotta
first.
Spin the wheel. Okay, you ready?
It's falling off.
I don't know what that
Spin
means.
again, I think.
Okay.
It's falling off.
Just
It's alright.
that.
I'm scared.
2. Turn it 2 times, Jack. Put your face there. Ready? 1.
Just keep spinning it,
2.
Jack. Are you sure it doesn't have like a lock or something on it?
Well, you're going the wrong way, bud. Go the other way.
Oh.
Look at his face. Was like, what the heck?
Get it off. Oh. Eat it.
Come here.
I got it.
You think?